Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about how breastfeeding might change in hot weather. So this will be relevant if we have another spell of hot weather in the UK, fingers crossed, or if you're taking your child away with you to a hotter country over the summer. So there's a couple of things that might change. One is, in hot weather, sometimes babies feed more often, but for less time. And you sometimes get a period where their stools go all kind of green rather than the mustard yellow that you normally get. So there's a couple of reasons for that. So here comes the science bit. So when you're breastfeeding and your milk's delivered from your breast, at the start of the feed, there's more water and less fat. And then as the feed goes on, the amount of milk is reducing, but the amount of fat is rising. So it's like you start off with like skimmed milk. That doesn't mean it's not good for you. Anyway, skimmed milk, and then you get kind of semi-skimmed and full fat and gold top, if you remember what that is, and then double cream. So if it's a very hot weather, the baby is looking to just get a drink. So they will just feed the first part of the feed where there's lots of water. And as soon as the amount of fat starts to rise a little bit, they're like, I don't really want to eat as such. I know that's odd because it's all milk, obviously. But they just will take the first part of the feed, which is more watery. Now, one of the consequences of that is that they will do these green stools. So when you've got yellow stools, that's telling you that the baby's getting enough fat in the milk that they're taking. But green stools indicates that they've stopped before the fat really gets going. There is fat in it, but there's less fat in the first part of the milk. So green stools in hot weather, that's normal. That's nothing to be worried about. So the wonderful thing is that your body will adapt to what your baby needs in all conditions. Isn't that great?